Keeping your books up to date can be time-consuming and error-prone. But with Tally Prime 6.0, it's easier than ever. You can now automate your accounting using bank statements, making accounting effortless. You can simply get started by importing your bank statement directly into Tally Prime. With just a few clicks, instantly access a clear and detailed reconciliation summary. Drill down to view all your unaccounted bank transactions imported from the statement. Automate your accounting process to create multiple vouchers in just a few seconds. Filter transactions using keywords and select them to create vouchers by applying a common ledger instantly. You can easily identify recurring entries such as bank charges and record a consolidated voucher. The workflow allows you to post multiple payments and receipts from various parties. With Tally Prime, create multiple vouchers effortlessly and complete your accounting in seconds, making your processes smoother and even more efficient. Optional vouchers are created instantly, pre-filled with bank data, and can be easily enriched before regularizing and reconciling transactions. Once you have created vouchers using bank statements, you can easily view them as transactions linked to the imported bank transactions. Tally Prime 6.0 not only simplifies banking and accounting, but ensures your finances are always traceable, transparent, and secure.